Hello guys, morning. Good morning, good morning. The date and the description, thank you. I always change it first, but today I forgot. Thank you for telling me. YouTube waiting for AUDNZD retest. I never trade AUDNZD, but today it looked like there's a very good setup. It just looks clean. And if we get a retest here, I guess should work perfectly. GBP JPY a daily. Think we can bet our house in this. Okay, great. All we need is a break below, a retest and continuation. The video quality is bad. Change the quality on settings on Google and it's not bad. Okay. AUD is coming. Hopefully it has a good spread. Not bad spread. Okay, I took some sells on AUD. Putting my stop around here. See how many pips is that. Around 8 pips. Not more, because I don't really think it's needed. AUD NZD sells, guys. For those who didn't listen, I took sells because a break and retest is currently happening here. I'm expecting some more continuation. Going bearish first, then maybe filling the whole range. Filling the whole range, maybe not gonna be very possible, but we'll see. Anything can be possible. We have some nice consolidation box there. Then price finally broke below, and it's doing a retest currently. We have plenty of rejections to tell us that this is a pretty good zone. Stop loss just above this candle here, just in case. I don't think I think if this is gonna go down, it needs to reject here. I think it can push a little bit more. Then if it comes all the way up here, then probably it's gonna be fake out. So there's no need to put our stop loss higher than that, because this is where it should get rejected. There's a chance it comes a bit higher, but I entered here anyway because it's a small range, 2-3 pips, and I don't want to miss the whole trade just because I waited for the perfect retest here. So I already entered, and let's see what happens. We'll see. We have another 20 minutes left for the rejection to happen. We'll see if it happens or not. Took some time though to come here for a retest. Now we'll see if the next candle or so we're gonna have some more continuation. In this area we can have a strong reaction. Weekly resistance, we have been about as low since December 20. Okay, so you're waiting for, or you're waiting for a pullback to the upside. You think that's gonna hold, okay? But for us, in the meanwhile, we need some more consolidation so we can find an entry. Otherwise, right now, it doesn't look like there's enough candles to determine a zone where we can have a quick break and retest maybe. So we gotta wait. And we gotta wait to see if AUD/NZD is gonna start rejecting anytime soon, because we need a rejection. I think this should be an easy 10 pips and quick 1%, and we're done for the whole week. All we need is 2-3 minutes drop. We go bearish and done deal. But sometimes it takes more than that. Maybe even the next candle, then maybe the rejection. So we're gonna wait and see. This should be the last trade of the week probably. Unless a very good one also comes later. Let me check the other pairs because I didn't. USD CAD is the same level as yesterday. Same level, and we already have a few rejections. 3-4 candles rejecting the same level again. Could be good, who knows. GU, actually, I don't know, your chart looked different, Herman. Maybe it was earlier. Probably. Looks like has more rejections right now. We kind of have a small zone here. So we're gonna wait and see what happens. Gotta wait and see. Euro US dollar also, there's a zone here and it is respecting it slowly. SD US dollar also has a zone here. Kind of looks like GU. CAD JPY is a mess. Why does your CAD has a gap here? What happened? You're holding UJ South the whole day. From? You take a break and retest here? Because it looks like a break and retest, but also it looks like it's coming from another support, so risky. Or risky stuff from you, Samuel. Nice push. Gold yesterday looks like went wild for a bit. Okay, let's stay with AUDNZD here. See what happens. What was the trade we got in? This is the trade we got in. I got in. For other people, I don't know. But at least I got in this trade. We have sells on AUDNZD. Classic break and retest, expecting around 8-10 pips drop after the retest. After that, we don't know, we might get some more. Also yesterday we had a very nice win, guys. Oh, what a win we had yesterday. It was 80 CAD. AUD CAD yesterday was perfect. Look at the move we did get yesterday. Oh, this was perfect. A nice clean break and retest yesterday, and it gave us around 10-20 pips, but a very quick one. It was very nice. But after that, it went crazy. After that, it went crazy. Let's see if AUDNZD is going to do the same today. Good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Did you say you're selling AUDNZD or buying? I don't know, you have to know by now. If you don't know if this is a sell or buy, I would recommend going to babypips.com. You need to learn the basics, otherwise you don't have an idea what we're doing. It's not okay to come here and have no idea what we're doing, because you'll just get burned. You have to understand what we're doing. Even if I don't put this at all, which tells you what it is, you have to know what we're looking for here. But if you are new, it would be better to go to babypips.com. You have all the things you need for a beginner. After that, you'll have an idea what's happening and what's not. You can fit in easier. AUD NZD is pushing and we have another 15 minutes left, so it's not a very good sign to be honest. Because we have to start rejecting now. It's time to reject, not push. The opposite is happening. This is the last price where price should push. It's over. We need to reject now. Otherwise, we are going to see a fake out happening here soon. If we don't get stopped and price closes like this, there's still a chance, but if it closes above the range, above resistance, then we gotta cut half loss or wait for a small pullback to exit at entry. So we're gonna wait and see what happens. We have another 13 minutes to see what happens. AUD about to fake us out. See, with this one, AUD tells us that we should never trade it. Okay, I got stopped. I got stopped on a UDNZD. Perfect setup, didn't work out at all. Didn't have a rejection at all. Stupid pair. What a stupid pair. A perfect setup. A perfect setup failed. Let's see how it closes. Maybe buys would make sense here. See if it goes above the previous candle. I might look for buys to make this back. We just check the other setups here in case we have better setup or not.
Can you check my chart set? I've sent EJ, but it's not for this hour maybe.
Yeah, the level is very nice.
Yeah, and it's also now currently also rejecting a few candles.
Yeah, it looks good. If it breaks, it looks good. AUD made no sense to push, but yeah, what can you do? It did push. There's another 10 minutes left. See what happens. It might end up closing below at the end. You know, well, look at the daily. Daily makes sense to push up actually. A daily makes sense to push up. But the thing is, we had a good breakout to the downside. I mean, it was a clean breakout. We had a lot of rejections. It closed 10 pips below support.
Yeah, it was quite good, but shit pair.
Yeah, it is the pair is bad because setup is clean.
I
Can't
was
get any
lucky not
better.
to take it. But yeah, Friday I am normally very picky, but Friday it's my worst day, so I almost do not trade.
No, to be honest, most of the days you saw me that I said we're not taking anything on AD&D because everything was very bad.
Mm.
All the zones were bad, but this one was clean. Didn't see anything wrong with it, but anyway, what can we do? Gotta wait to see what
We have to
happens.
put it to the junk pairs.
You think we should create a list with junk pairs?
Yeah. But we had last two wins on some weird pairs also.
Yeah. We traded some weird pairs lastly. CHFJPY, AUD CAD. That's some weird pairs.
For this one said, this is not a level. That cannot be considered that was coming from a level.
No, no.
It's
It was all good.
not even a level there.
I think on these pairs it have to be yeah, it was almost perfect, but it came like in second half an hour, I think.
Yeah, it came a bit
Yeah.
late.
Yeah,
Even now.
and also it went down. It did the first.
Yeah,
So
but that's
it's
like
some
2-3
yeah,
pips.
yeah, I know, but in this pairs I don't know. I will just take
Yeah.
like perfect no bottom week and first 5-10 minutes for a retest like we got yesterday.
Yeah. Why today, Samuel? I just explained it, my bro. I said it was perfect. It didn't have any tops. I didn't have any tops here. I saw it. I took it right away. But I guess didn't work out. I mean, can happen.
Only hope it will not go down now.
I wouldn't be surprised if that happens. But at least if it's gonna go up, we need like a good close above to tell us that. Or otherwise, it's just gonna mess the whole zone up. That could be an option. It just closes here, next candle comes back down a bit, then starts to destroy the zone little by little. Here we go, intensity, rejecting, about to close below, next candle is gonna melt.
If you see my MT5, the stop loss got hit without even touch it. So that was just a spread, like perfect, perfect.
Yeah,
that's
it
that's
could
the
be.
worst. And what was the spread on that? I didn't even have it on my list.
To me, it was like from the candle close, the 1 minute candle close to the stop, it was 0.7 pips.
But now, currently, what is the spread?
I don't know. I have no idea.
NZD US dollar is good. Looks good, but I don't know if, not very sure about this. I'm not very sure. I think I'll skip. I mean, it looks good if it's gonna close below and then make a retest. But I'm not sure we're gonna have a drop here. GU is pushing up. And GU is pushing up. On GU, I think we can have a push here to the next zone. And it's about to close very nice. No top wick, that would be nice. But here you go, a rejection. I have no regrets for taking ADNZD. It was the perfect setup. In terms of a setup, this in some other pair would work perfectly. In some GU or GJ, something like that would work perfectly because you would have at least some rejection. But I guess ADNZD not a very nice pair to trade, even in a good level. Anyway, from now, I like this GU a little bit. It's been rejecting the support, and we might get something if it closes above like it was, but now it's gonna reject it. A small pullback, and I think we can fill this range easy. If ADNZD moves above previous candle, that would be an outside day and very dangerous to the upside. Now, actually, to the upside, it might work, ADNZD. Because the daily, the previous one was pretty bullish, and the current one, this day, it looks like it was some kind of retest to have some more continuation. So maybe buys would make sense, you know. Why are the candles like this? A 4-hour is getting rejected also. See, the level was perfect even on the 4-hour. We have GBP news, like always. There has to be news always. Yeah, high impact coming soon. More USD news, more USD news. Yeah, there's a lot of news today. Lots of news. GJ is also pushing. GBP is getting some strength right now. Unfortunately, we didn't get anything here. EURUSD also got rejected. EJ the same. Only NZD US dollar closed below this small support here. I wonder what's gonna happen. It's around like 4 or 5 pips, 4 pips break below. Not very safe, to be honest. Not very safe. I'm gonna skip. Today I was gonna be very picky about setups, and AUDNZD was very clean, so I took it. Now after that, I'm gonna be even more pickier, because either it's gonna be a perfect setup or not taking with a very good zone. You told us what, Samuel? UJ? It's still there. It even went worse. You're in south, but UJ is pushing. Will you trade gold on NFP news? Of course not. Yeah, it's not gonna be very good day to trade. SZDCHF, man, why do you want to put us in a pair like that? SZDCHF, I don't even have it on my list. We better skip it. We better skip that pair because it doesn't even sound that it is a good pair to trade. CHF JPY melted, but it took a long time from what it seems. Came deeper after we got the trade the other day, but slowly it went all the way to the downside. Can you send a chart for SZDCHF and I can check it to see what's happening there? GBP NZD almost closed above this. Very bullish right now. It might fly. GCAT bias is not clean. GCAT also is a very bad pair lately, so we gotta be careful. We need a very good level to take a trade there. There's nothing. There is nothing happening. It's gonna be a slow Friday. Nothing happening right now. Guys, there's nothing right now, and I think I'm gonna go, but we're gonna do a New York session today also. Also on YouTube. If you guys are up for it, we're gonna do a New York session later on because it's very slow right now. We don't have any good setup to wait for. We're gonna do a New York session around 2 p.m. maybe 2 p.m. when the news are happening. Maybe that time. See you guys for now. I think we shouldn't lose time right now because there's nothing happening. But I'll send the link on New York session and we'll do another one. Just don't want to lose the time now for nothing. At least we can do it on New York session. Hopefully we get something. We come back on New York session. See you guys for now. I'll send the link on Telegram, no worries. YouTube's gonna be live, so you'll see it.